Health enthusiasts, ever heard about intermittent fasting? It's not just a trending topic, it's a game changer for your health. So what exactly is intermittent fasting? It's a pattern of eating where you cycle between periods of eating and fasting. But don't worry, you're not starving yourself. It's about when you eat, not what you eat. There are several methods to choose from. The 16/8 method is the most popular. You fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window. For example, if you eat dinner at 8 p.m., your next meal would be at noon the following day. Simple, right? But why should you consider intermittent fasting? Well, it's packed with benefits. Firstly, it can help you lose weight and belly fat without the need for calorie counting or crazy diets. Your body uses stored fat for energy, and that's a win-win. Secondly, it improves metabolic health. Studies show it can reduce insulin resistance and lower blood sugar levels. This is especially beneficial for those at risk of type 2 diabetes. And let's not forget about longevity. Research suggests that intermittent fasting can extend your lifespan. Yes, you heard that right. By reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, it can keep your cells healthier longer. Now, how do you get started? Start by picking a method that fits your lifestyle. Ease into it by gradually increasing your fasting window. Drink plenty of water and stay hydrated. And remember, it's okay to feel hungry at first. Your body will adapt. So, ready to give intermittent fasting a try? It might just be the health game changer you've been looking for. Stay motivated and stay healthy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips.